Maxine's Corner, you've done it again. Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxine's Corner. Today, we are making some vegan vegetable lasagna. I had 4 small eggplants that I've cut up, and what I did was I sprinkled a little salt on top of it just to get the water out. And then what you want to do is you want to just press down on it like that, and that will help you to get some of the water out. So let that sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. I am using the Beyond Meat, but it's pretty much up to you. Let's get started. Okay, my healthy people, so I have a teaspoon of coconut oil, and I'm gonna just add my Beyond Meat. I have some garlic powder, some onion powder, some Italian spices that I'm using as well. I'll give you exact measurements in the description box, guys. If you love these weeknight dinner recipe for the entire family, healthy, keto friendly and vegan recipes, low carb recipe, please let me know if you want more of these recipes. I can definitely make them for you. If you have a request for a particular recipe, please let me know. I'm gonna cook this up and then I'll be back. Okay, my healthy people, so our vegan meat is cooked. I'm just going to add my roasted garlic tomato sauce here. If you love what you see, go ahead and give this video a what? Big thumbs up. And that is our meat sauce for the vegan vegetable lasagna. I'm gonna leave this for another 4 or 5 minutes on low heat, and then I'll be back. Okay, my healthy people, 5 minutes later, this is what it looks like. Perfect. Okay, my healthy people, so it's time to make our ricotta cheese. We will be using extra firm tofu. And I have 1 block here. Drain as much water out as you can. To that, I have some Italian herbs. This is 1 tablespoon. I'll be adding my nutritional yeast. Tablespoon of oil. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1/2 teaspoons of salt. And then let's go. Another 1/2 teaspoons of salt, just to bring the flavor out, because sometimes all you need is just a little bit of salt just to bring the flavor out in a recipe. Let me just add another teaspoon of oil. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is absolutely free. Great tips, wonderful recipes. I'm just gonna scrape it down. This is a low carb recipe. You can also use cashews to make this ricotta cheese as well, okay? This is absolutely perfect. I don't have to taste it again because I know it tastes absolutely delicious. And here, so I'm going to take this off and I'm going to start to assemble. Let's assemble. Let's take our meat sauce, spread it all over. Just going to lay them like that. The next thing that I'm going to do is add my ricotta. And you know these things move around, so just make it work for you, okay guys? I am going to add some more meat sauce all over. I'm going to add the rest of my ricotta. Just little dabs on top. Just like this. And like that. Make sure your hands are clean. My hands are clean. I wash them all the time. Okay, so I'm going to add 1 last cheese. And this is completely optional. Cover it in the oven, 350, 30 minutes. Then I'll be back. Okay, my healthy people, this is our delicious vegan vegetable lasagna. Time for me to get a little piece of this deliciousness. Look at that. Woo! 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 Look at that. Oh my God. Woo! Maxine's Corner, you've done it again. Oh God, guys, this deliciousness right now, I want to taste it. I know you want to taste it, but guess what? You can make it at home. Let me just get a little taste here. My mouth is watering. Oh, and I am not even exaggerating. Absolutely delicious. Make it for your entire family. They will love it. You're gonna love it. Anyone that you make this for will love it. Make it for yourself. Meal prep. Delicious. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner, guys. That's all I have for today. If you love this video, if you enjoy this video, if you love vegetable lasagna, go ahead and give this video what? Big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is absolutely free. And what? Say it with me. Stay healthy.